Actually, I'm going to discuss about how to run Swift codes using command prompt. So this Swift code that I'm going to run with the help of command prompt. If I go on this command prompt and searching here Swift minus minus version. So Swift is not recognized. So what we need to do? So here let's go on this C drive. Then Swift here. Let's go on this bin. You can see Swift file is there. Let's copy this location. Right there, edit system environment variable. Then click on this environment variable. Then after, let's go on this path, edit, new, paste there. Okay, okay. Then after, let's open this command prompt. Right there, Swift minus minus version. Then you can see there Swift version that I just installed. So from with the help of this command, we can analyze the version of the Swift 4.1 that install. After that, the next is going to run here Swift code. So this is not required for this Swift. Let's copy this line and paste it there. Control S to Swift. Saving on this desktop, giving the name hello.swift. Save that. So this here text file that's created. Okay, let's click on this save as and writing there hello.swift. So this place going to select here all, then click on this save. Hello.swift file that's created. Now the next is going to run this file with the help of command prompt. Open this command prompt and changing the location first. Copy this cd, then this is file is in desktop. Then after for compiling, we need to use here command shift c hello.swift. Press enter. So with the help of this command, we can compile this code. So compiler currently searching, there is no any problem there. You can see one file that's created with the name hello. Now the next is going to run this code. For running, we need to give your shift hello.swift. Press enter. So with the help of this command, we can get the output. So hello world is there. Okay. Now thereafter trying to add to number on this shift. Save that. Let's delete this one. And now going to compile. So currently this is compiling. There is no any problem. File that's created. Now let's execute. So 5 plus 2, that the result displaying here 7. So code is working correctly. So this is the way we can run here or Swift code inside the command prompt. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.